Of the hundreds of companies pouring massive resources into AI research, the 8 that are emerging as the world's indisputable dominators are Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Baidu, Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent. These juggernauts have in effect morphed into what nations were 50 years ago. That is, powerhouses that will compete on a global scale for obtaining absolute AI supremacy. Half of them are American companies, the other half Chinese. Indeed, China and the United States have already gained an enormous lead over all other countries, setting the stage for a bipolar AI world order. The corporate giants are pouring unprecedented resources into squeezing deep learning for all it's worth. That means lots of fine-tuning and only a small percentage of truly open-ended research in pursuit of the next paradigm.
Academics, on the other hand, finding themselves unable to compete with the industry, keep focusing their work on inventing the next deep learning, or any fundamentally new approach to AI problems that could change the game.
And what do you hope for?
Let's hope that this type of open-ended research is the one to stumble onto the next breakthrough and then publish it for the rest of the world to learn from.
If not,
for humanity, it would be game over.